Now it's time to download Kali Linux operating system so that we can install that particular operating system into the VirtualBox. So what you need to do is you need to simply open a new tab and type here Kali Linux and hit enter. And after hitting enter, as you can see that we have this website, which is www.kali.org. So when you click on this particular link, it will open a new window for us, which is this. So here we'll find download, training, documentation, community, about us. So we are interested in downloads. So when you move your cursor towards downloads, you will see download Linux, Kali Linux Net Hunter, Kali Linux revealed book and release information. So we are going to click on download Kali Linux. So when you click on download Kali Linux, you will find these many links from which you can download Kali Linux. But for now we are using VirtualBox, so we are interested in VirtualBox version. So you will find it here, Kali Linux 64-bit VirtualBox. So when you click on this particular link, which is Offensive Security VM download page, so it will open a new page for us and it will look like this. So we have two options here. The first one is for the virtual machine, which is here, and the second one is for the VirtualBox. So we are interested in VirtualBox. So when you click on this symbol, you will find these many options. So we are having two options, the 64-bit operating system and for 32-bit operating system, but currently we are using 64-bit architecture. So what I am going to do is I am going to click on torrent. So when you click on torrent, it will start downloading your file. Okay, so when you click on this particular OK button, it will start downloading your file. So now let's see in the next lecture how you can install Kali Linux operating system into the VirtualBox machine. So this is all for this lecture.